Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you chicken bharta's recipe. Chicken bharta is a smooth creamy chicken preparation loaded with shredded chicken and lots of flavors. It has onion and tomato based gravy with beautiful flavor of kasuri methi and butter. I use tandoori masala. Believe me, don't skip this masala. It is a key ingredient for a typical restaurant like smell in your chicken bharta. Now let's see the ingredients. To prepare the chicken, we need boneless chicken, peppercorn, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black cardamom, star anise, bay leaf, garlic cloves, and salt. We'll boil all together. Onion and ginger garlic paste, yogurt, chopped coriander leaves, keora water, tomato puree, kasuri methi, butter, chili powder, tandoori masala and salt. In a pan, boil water, add salt and add all the masalas. Add chicken pieces. Boil it for 15 minutes. Take out the chicken pieces. Let them cool down. Do not throw away the broth. It can be used to thin the curry. As the chicken pieces cool down, shred the chicken into thin strips. Long, thin shredded chicken makes a good chicken bharta. Heat oil in a pan. Add onion, ginger, garlic paste and cook on a medium heat. Cook till oil separates. Add tomato puree now. Mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add yogurt and mix well. Add all the dry masalas now. Chili powder, tandoori masala, salt, mix well. Add the shredded chicken now and mix well. Add some chicken broth. Let it boil for some time. Add kasuri methi. Add keora water and butter. Coriander leaves. Mix well everything together. Switch off the flame and cover the pan. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.